Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Suspicious Soup in Grow a Garden. So you can either purchase it from the Ghostly Gadgets here. It is a rare item and it costs 8 candy corns. You can get it as a reward here. And basically it can change a few things, like it can give you a few boosts, can change the character size, can change the movement speed and jump height. It depends on like if you get positive or negative though. So let's try one and see. Okay, so as you can see, we get 15% movement speed for 60 seconds. That means I'm like moving faster than usual, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. It could also be tasked for the dead tree. That's why I needed it. I need one more, which I don't think I'm gonna get. I'm not sure if this will reappear later in time. Maybe I'll be able to, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!